my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at Tom Pitt. In today's video, I'm going to present you the container document. The goal of this lesson is to learn what is a container, how containers work in Tom Pitt, and how to manage containers in Tom Pitt. In many situations, the stock is dispatched or issued on a pallet or in some cases a sealed box. We must know the dispatched or received box's contents without opening it. The SSCC standard, which stands for Serial Shipping Container Code, provides just that, so we can quickly know the contents by only scanning the box's code. The importance of the container lies in its ability to seal multiple serial numbers at once under a specific code, which provides us the details to the container's contents. After the container is opened, the serial numbers are no longer under a unified code and are therefore not reserved anymore. For example, the customer orders a box packed with various items. Let's say they ordered a whole set for a dining table. So there will be chair and table pieces that come in a box as a set. Each individual piece has its own serial code and is packed in a box neatly. When the container is closed, the serial numbers are sealed under a unified code, which upon scanning reveals the contents of the container. Until the container is opened, the serial numbers are reserved and therefore not available for use in other documents. The container provides an enclosure for all the items to be shipped or received in one packaging. When we receive the box, we must open it and thus break the container to be able to shelf the parts. Now let's see how this works in Tom Pitt. To access the container's view, go to Logistics, choose Documents, and lastly, Containers. Containers Overview page includes a list of all container documents arranged by the date of creation of the document. You can narrow down the view by choosing the filters on the left and open an individual document by selecting the document code. To create a new container, select the Action button in the bottom right corner of the screen. A new document opens as a draft. The document stays in a draft state until you're ready to save it, after which the state of the document changes to committed. Be careful not to leave the document in draft states, as this marks the selected materials as reserved. Before creating a container, first specify the warehouse and location where you want the container to be placed. Next, select Create. A container is now created for the selected location. The first section already has the document code, date, and location. Now the only thing you need to add is the serial numbers to the container. In the Details section, enter or scan the code on the material you want to add into the container. Make sure to select the correct serial number, and a 4 for editing will open up. Specify the quantity that you want to add and select Save. To add more items, repeat the process. Make sure to select the right serial number and the right quantity. Now lastly, if you select the hamburger menu at the top right part of the screen, you can see that it offers printer options for printing a SSCC container label. If everything is correct, select the Package button. The system prompts you. If you're sure you want to publish a document, select Yes. Upon packing the container, the system redirects you back to the container document overview and adjusts the stock amounts of the material serial numbers accordingly for further use within the system. The serial numbers packed into the container are now reserved, meaning they cannot be used in other documents until the container is open. Now let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You now know what containers are, you understand the importance of a container document, you know how to create a container in Tom Pitt, and you know how to manage containers in TOMPIT. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on containers. I hope this video helped, and I will see you in the next lesson.